and honorable members of the Goa Legislative Assembly. It gives me immense pleasure and honor to address this august House on the onset of New Year. I take this opportunity to convey my heartiest New Year greetings to each one of you and extend a warm welcome to all the members of the august House on my first address during the 30th session of Goa Legislative Assembly. I am happy to say that we have entered the 60th year, Diamond Jubilee of Goa's liberation, and we are delighted by the presence of Honorable Ramnath Kovindji, the first ever occasion that Honorable President of India participated in the celebration of Goa's Liberation Day. During the inaugural speech, the Honorable President of India lauded the Uniform Civil Code in force in the state and termed it as a matter of pride. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet colleagues, State Executive Committee, led by the Chief Secretary, all frontline COVID warriors, officers and officials who successfully controlled the spread of COVID-19 pandemic in the state. Though the state has suffered a lot in terms of socio-economic and infrastructure development, taking a back seat in the COVID times, but due to systematic planning, regular monitoring, and strenuous corrective measures by the state administration, the state is now gaining momentum in its activities from micro to macro level and is nearing complete normalcy. The Honorable Prime Minister has announced Atmanirbhar Bharat Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana in the country, which has extended hand-holding support to all the states for the survival of various sections of people of the society with unity and integrity. Bharat, Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat. The COVID-19 pandemic is an eye-opener which has taught an important learning to the people and also the state be self-reliant. My government is very keen to continue with the efforts to place the state on faster growth track and ensure inclusive growth and sustainable development of all concerned with active support and cooperation of all stakeholders. In keeping with the call of our Honorable Prime Minister of ensuring Ek Bharat, Shrestha Bharat, I am confident that together we can make it possible. Let us rededicate ourselves to the cause of nation building. Let us synergize our efforts to make the state of Goa golden state. Om Asto Ma Sadgamay Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay Mrityur Ma Amritam Gamay Om Shanti Shanti Dev Bare Karum Jai Hind. The speech may be taken for read because I have some trouble, so that's why it may be taken as read. Okay.